Greetings of the day, guys. Today, my topic is gravitation, and I am Ramanaidu Bandi. Okay, before going to gravitation, let me explain what is universal gravitation law. Universal gravitation law. What is this universal gravitation law is? In the universe, every object attracts other object with a specified force that is called gravitational force. So, this law states that every object attracts other objects with a specified force that is gravitational force. So, this gravitational force is like this. If you take two objects with mass 1 and mass 2, they are far apart with distance r, then the gravitational force is directly proportional to product of their masses, that is F is proportional to m1 into m2, and this gravitational force is inversely proportional to square of the distance between them, that is F is proportional to 1 by r square. So that is combinedly written as F is proportional to m1 m2 by r square. F is directly proportional to m1 m2 by r square. So to remove this proportionality, so we will introduce a proportionality constant, that is capital G, which is a universal gravitational constant. Now this gravitational force, the specified force here, gravitational force equal to G m1 m2 by r square. So this G is called as universal gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant. m1 is the mass of the first object, m2 is the mass of the second object, r is the distance between m1 and m2. So this is the situation. This is this containing mass 1 and this is containing mass 2. This has attraction force between them along the line of distance, that is r. You can say perpendicular distance also. So this is the gravitational force exerted by two objects. Gravitational force. So this gravitational force is an attractive force and it is a universal force. Okay, it is universal. Every object attracts other object. Okay. Actually, force units are newtons, that is nothing but kg meter per second square. But what about gravitational constant, universal gravitational constant units? Come on, let us find out. So F equal to kg meter per second square. m1 into m2 means this is mass into mass. So mass into mass by this is distance is in meters, right? So mass into mass means kg into kg by mass square is into g equal to F units. So F itself has a unit of kg meter per second square. So g will be having unit of, this will move this side, kg square by meter square. This kg get cancelled. So now let us go to using this universal gravitation law. Using this universal gravitation law, we will find out using this universal gravitation law, we will try to find out what is acceleration due to gravity or gravity. So universal gravitational law states that the gravitational force equal to g m1 m2 by r square, g m1 m2 by r square. But according to the Newton's third law, force equal to rate of change of momentum or rate of change of momentum with respect to time. That means change in momentum with respect to time. That means mv by t. There is no change in the mass with respect to time. So mass is constant here. Velocity by time refers to mass into velocity by time refers to acceleration. So the force will be mass into acceleration. So what is acceleration due to gravity? Now gravity or acceleration due to gravity is what? Let's find out what is that. So we know that F equal to ma. Force is mass into acceleration, and F from the universal gravitation law, this F is g m1 m2 by r square. Now let's find out what is acceleration due to gravity. So what is this acceleration due to gravity means? Earth is a universal attractor, or it is like a magnet. So if you take a earth here, it will attract everybody. So if you take this is a earth, this is a object, our targeted object, earth will attract this object by some gravitational force with some acceleration, with some gravitational force and with some acceleration. This distance is r, and earth mass is considered as capital M. And object mass is considered as small m. So the gravitational force equal to z into m1 is capital M, m2 is small m, gmm by r square. The distance between these two is r. So now from Newton's third law, force equal to ma. This acceleration is specifically mass into acceleration due to gravity g in gravitational force. Therefore F is equal to ma, that is mg. So mass of the object is here. This part is acceleration due to gravity. Therefore gravity equal to capital G into capital M by r square. Here capital G, capital M, capital R are constant because G is the universal gravitational constant, capital M is the mass of the earth, R is the distance between earth and object. So universal gravitational constant is also a constant, that is 9.8 meter per second square. This gravity, this g is a small g is a acceleration due to gravity. That's it. That's it about gravitation. Okay, thank you.